In this video, you'll learn how to change your full name on Perplexity AI. By following these steps, you will successfully update your profile information to reflect your desired name. Start by opening the Perplexity AI application on your device. Ensure that you are connected to the internet, as this will allow the application to load properly. Once the application is open, look for the profile icon located in the bottom left corner of the screen. This icon typically resembles a person or a silhouette. Click on this icon to access your profile settings. After clicking on Profile, a menu will appear. In this menu, select the Account option. This will take you to the section where you can manage your account details. In the Account section, locate the full name field. This field displays your current first and last name. Take a moment to verify that you are in the correct area before making any changes. To edit your name, click on the full name field. This action will allow you to type in your new first and last name. Make sure to enter the information accurately to avoid any mistakes. Once you've entered your new name, look for the Save button or a check mark icon to apply your changes. Click on this button to confirm your updates. You should see a brief loading indicator indicating that your changes are being saved. After the changes have been applied, the application will typically provide a confirmation message or refresh the screen to show your updated full name. Make sure to verify that the new name appears correctly in your profile. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.